This tutorial will walk you through how to create a label on Moodle and how to embed a video, and you will have to create 10 labels at a minimum, and you will also have to embed a couple videos. So you need to know how to do both of these, and it's easy to show you on a label how embedding a video works, which is why I'm going to do that here. Alright, so make sure your editing is on. You're going to click Add an Activity or Resource, and you're going under Resources. Scroll down, you will click Label and hit Add. Now a label is just going to show right up front on your Moodle course. The labels I'm expecting are going to be a summary of what will be taught on your Moodle course that week. It is not okay to put Study Chapter 1. I want to know the actual content that's being taught. And you can look at my Moodle course as to see what I'm expecting. So here would be a description of what is being taught that week. Now once you've typed in, one thing you can do is you can change that to a heading so it'll stand out. You can either do that by manipulating the size or changing the font family, bolding it, coloring it, or you can go straight here to formatting. I'm going to do heading 2. You'll see right away it makes it bold and larger. And then sometimes you want to change up the color, so make sure that if you want to do that you can click on the color picker. Of course you have to make sure something is highlighted first, so you'll click on the color picker here, and you can use a little drop down. You can go to where you can see more colors if you want, or you can just choose one here. So I think I'll just choose orange, and once you're done, show means that students are going to see it, and hide would mean they couldn't. So I'm going to hit save and return to course. You'll see it right here. Now let's say I want to add a label that will show a YouTube video. Anywhere you get a text box editor, you'll be able to embed a video. So what I'm about to show you will apply to any time you have a text box editor, and you almost always have text box editors, whatever you're doing in Moodle. So again, we're going to go to Add an Activity or Resource. We're going to scroll down and click on Label and hit Add. Okay, then you're going to go to YouTube and you're going to find a video. When you find the video, you're going to hit Share. It's right about a little bit below the video itself. And then next to how you're going to share it, we don't want the hyperlink, we want the embed code. Sometimes Moodle can be picky, so it's a good idea to have clicked Use Old Embed Code before you copy the embed code. So I already have that clicked, so I'm going to copy this embed code. I'm going to go back to my label. Once here, I'm going to click HTML. That's because an embed code uses HTML coding. So that's why you have to click that, and I'm just going to paste that in and hit update. Then you'll see that the video appears. If you want to center it, you can. If you want it left justified, you can keep it there. You can type below it. You can do whatever you need to, but then you hit save and return to course. Your video will be showing directly on the course. So this will show you how this tutorial helps you know how to add a label and how to embed a video.